Stop scrolling. Did you know you can start an online business today? And it's not just an online business, it's automated business that works for you 24/7, and you can make a daily income. You only need a phone, Wi-Fi, and social media platform to make it happen. Guys, it's a dream come true. Inside of a program, we're showing you and teaching you step by step the proven blueprint to make six figures, and you can start living the life that you always wanted. We also showing you and teaching you how to cultivate a growth mindset that will help you achieve everything that you want in your life. And what's good about this program, that you can resell it again and again and again because it's a master resale rights, and you get 100% profit. So yeah, you invest one time, but there is no monthly fee, and you don't have to be a tech person. There is no cold callings, there is no MLM, there is no DMs, and you work 2 hours a day, and you can make it happen for you and for your family. So if you're looking for a better job, you're looking to get out of your comfort zone, or you are stuck right now and you're looking for new opportunity, this is for you. And if you want to learn more, type learn in the comments and I'm going to send you the information.